All right, well today we are going to be trying to get my furnace repaired. Kevin has already tried by changing the limit switch on it, but it's still not performing like it should. So we're gonna take a look at the sales switch today and see if that's where the problem is. It may just have dust gathered around it and it can't ignite. So, I've already got the gas off, bled the line. Kevin's undone the screws on the vent outside. So now he's working on trying to get the furnace out.
I don't see why that would do anything. Definitely nothing over here.
Kevin's trying to figure out why this furnace doesn't want to just slip out.
I don't see any screws down there.
I'm going to owe you a steak dinner.
Something's still hanging up outside, I think.
Can you see anything?
Well, this tube, but the heater just kind of slides right into it, but I can't tell if there's a lip there that's holding it.
It looks like that piece is riveted on.
No, they just put some adhesive on it.
Oh.
It's held on by the screws. This just slides right into the tube
I see.
of the heat, for the heat, for fresh air and
Okay, so Kevin
something.
had to take the panel off from around the furnace to try to figure out why it won't slide out. Need to grab that for you.
Yes, please. I found it.
Oh, yay!
Are you missing anything, Shirley?
What is it? Probably.
Watch.
Oh, I was wondering where that was.
Look
So,
at that. Popped right out.
my spoon rest was the culprit.
Found you some extra batteries,
And
too.
some batteries that fell down and was stopping the furnace from coming out. Do you want to choke me now or later? Oh, that's
Wow,
crazy.
Look at this.
Now we can get to work.
Yeah, this is what I was hoping for.
All right. Okay, so Kevin has checked the current sales switch with his own meter and determined that it's still in good functioning order. So we've cleaned as much as we can clean back there, and he's going to put everything back together and see if it works now.
All right.
So we shall see.
Squirrel cage. So I have to put the squirrel cage back on. And do you have that? The squirrel cage? There's my flat spot. There's that. Make sure it's not hitting anything. Okay. see what I can do here. Spin this around. Oh, come on.
As if it's not bad enough, Kevin is all having to do all of this in the really tight walkway of my 20-foot little B&B trailer. There's a steak dinner waiting for this man and his wife.
I don't know. That's a keto thing, isn't it?
Steak's on keto.
All right. Here we go. Let's put that right there. Run our limit switch back. And this is the bottom.
That's the culprit, the sail switch. So many other trailers, they're so much easier to get to. This one is way back in the back, and that actually rests on the bottom, that where that goes in that little square. This is the bottom of the furnace, and it's way back in the back, so you have to pull the whole thing out to get to it. Thanks, Airstream. Thanks, Atwood. That's how they get you.
I left all the screws and stuff out on our white table right
Okay.
there outside your door. One neutral wire that wants
That's
to
your
be-
light. Oh.
I keep hitting it.
When you have time, I'll have you read me that serial number one more time, and I'll write it down in my manual so I have it always.
What serial number?
For the furnace. It's on that piece, I think, that's sticking down there, hanging on.
This here? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, let me have your camera.
Okay. Well, hopefully we're in the final stages. Get this all back together now. Should we try it before you screw all those in?
Nah.
Okay. Confidence. I love it.